brother, do I know you? You once showed up on the shore, hey brother, then I do not know you that much at all. Hey friend, I once recognized you from the old days. Until we struggle through the time. I once showed up in that rainy day, till I always just got in my way. Till I just don't care who the don't I just stay. Go back to where I went. Hey friend, until I go, until I just move my way out on this journey, till I don't know where I just went back in these rainy days, till I saw you, till I know feeling this way, till I know, till that curse is gone, till I have my freedom, till I find my way on that month of that time. Just don't leave me till I'm just a broken man, that I'm looking that way. Hey friend, do I remember you? Till no, till I went up and then we shut up the shore. And now until I'm going off this just the night and the rainy days, till I know who are we, till I will never go back to the place that I knew every day the same. That was that time that we met.